Hi dear children, I am teacher Geeta. This is grade 11 chemistry, a revision topic about alkanes. I am going to give an explanation about, a short explanation about this one. You know that alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons with the general formula CnH2n plus 2. The alkanes are the simplest of homologous series found in organic chemistry. They contain only two types of bond, carbon-carbon single bond and carbon-hydrogen single bond. But here it is given the general formula CnH2n plus 2. Then according to the number of carbon atom, the name of that methane, ethane, propane, butane, and here also giving the molecular formula and the contents of the structure formula up to 6 carbon atom. One carbon atom it is CH4 methane, 2 carbon atom C2H6 ethane, 3 carbon atom C3H8 propane, 4 carbon atom C4H10 butane, 5 carbon atom pentane C5H12 and 6 carbon atom C6H14. And here it is giving again that one. Now the chemistry of alkanes. Here it is giving some chemical characteristic and physical and chemical properties of that one. Alkanes containing up to 4 carbon atoms are colorless, odorless gas, while pentane to heptane are colorless liquids. The higher number of C18 onwards, the waxy solid, which are also colorless and odorless. More about this we will study in higher classes, maybe in class 12 also. Alkanes are non-polar, very weakly polar and non-polar or very weakly polar and are insoluble in polar solvents. We know that polarity means the separation of electric charges when both atoms pull on the electrons equally, that is called polarity. And density etc. increases in number of carbon atoms. Melting point, boiling point, melting point and density increases in the number of carbon atoms, where solubility decreases with increasing molecular mass. And we have to say alkanes are generally unreactive. But this is because alkanes molecules contain single carbon-carbon covalent bond and single carbon-hydrogen covalent bond. But these two bonds are very strong and it requires more energy to break. That is why alkanes are chemically unreactive. Here it is now some reactions of alkanes. Here it is combustion reaction. The two reactions is in undergo. This alkanes undergo combustion reaction and halogenation reaction. Most of the alkanes are produced from crude oil and are burned as fuels. And the complete combustion is highly exothermic reaction. This is energy is producing highly exothermic. Complete combustion means enough oxygen is there, in sufficient amount of oxygen mixes with methane, it combined with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, water and energy. Incomplete combustion means insufficient amount of energy. That time it is producing carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and water. And this is about the combustion reaction. If air supply is limited, the combustion of alkane is incomplete. If air supply is sufficient, it is a complete combustion reaction. That is exothermic, highly exothermic reaction. Now substitution reaction. Substitution reaction, you know that alkanes undergo substitution reaction with the halogens. You know that which are halogens? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are the halogens. One hydrogen atom is removed and in the place of that one halogen is substituted. The substitution, an H atom is removed and something else is put in the place. That is here this halogenation. A halogen atom is placed in the place of H. But here see chlorine, chlorination. Chlorine is here chloromethane and hydrochloric acid is formed. Same like it is react with ethane. Here it is react with and here bromine. That is chlorination. Here it is bromine reaction. Bromoethane or ethyl bromide is formed. But these two are the substitution reaction. And the next one is free radical substitution. But there are the three stages to a radical reaction. There are initiation, propagation and termination. And here it is, see for chlorine, the two chlorine atoms, then initiation step. And then the next one is 2 propagation steps are here. By initiation, chlorine it is 2 chlorine atom. Then the chlorine react with methane. Here it is chloromethane producing. The next one is the again it is react with that one, and this way it is the substitution of the free radical substitution reaction. Okay, here it is one video about this reaction. Please watch this one. I think before in class also we already discussed this, and we did many worksheets also. And with this video, tomorrow I will upload one video. Watch this video and then do the worksheet.